How to delete all cache and junk files on Windows. What's up everybody? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clear out all of the junk files on your Windows. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your laptop settings. For that, you can just right click on the Windows icon to open up your settings. And once you open your settings up, you will have to head over to the System tab right here. And once you get to System, scroll down until you find Storage, click on it, and here it will show you all of your available storages and calculate accordingly. Now just wait for everything to load up completely and you'll see an option for temporary files here. Just click on temporary files and you have an option to delete all of these temporary files. So just select these ones and you can also choose what you want to delete. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on remove files. So as you can see, I have almost 1 GB of my total cache files. Just tap on remove files and click continue. Now all of your junk files will be now deleted. Now if you go back to storage, here you have an option called storage sense. It will automatically free up space. You will delete the temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. So make sure that this toggle is turned on. And after doing this, all of your cache files and junk files will be cleared out. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.